It's a kaleidoscope. Can I see it? Show it to me. What do you do with that? What's in there?
Flowers.
Yeah. What's that noise? Amber. What's that noise? That banging.
Airplane.
An airplane? Who's driving that airplane?
I don't know.
Who do you think might be driving that airplane?
Well.
You think so? I don't think he's flying anywhere tonight.
Why?
He's flying to New York. So he can go to work tomorrow. Where do you think he might fly to?
Work.
Work?
Yeah.
Which is where?
The uncle.
Which is where? Bye.
Okay.
Up there.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Okay.
You gonna leave me?
No, you're coming back on me.
All right, we'll say bye.
Bye. See you later. Bye. Bye.